My name is Court Wengreen. I am one of the owners here at Greenbird Cellars. I'm also the vintner and libation maker, pretty much. We are an organic farm and winery, the only organic winery in the state of Michigan. So being organic, that means that we are doing no synthetic or petroleum-based products. We are doing things like neem oil, microbial teas, seaweed, fish emulsion, composting, trying to bring the earth back to life from a sandy loam into an organic living soil system. So Orec America approached me with the Gardenquake, which turned out to be really cool. It was super compact, worked really well when we were tilling up for some blueberries. It's nice because instead of having to take my big tractor out, which obviously uses more petroleum, then I can just grab this little guy and keep going.